A C minus? Again? I really should have studied more for this English test. And then you hear your teacher say, coulda, shoulda, woulda. Not good enough, you need to study more. And then you ask yourself, coulda, shoulda, woulda. What is he saying? Coulda, shoulda, woulda. You could have studied more, you should have studied more, and you would have studied more, and then you would have had a better mark. These are slang words that are shortened forms of the proper words. So today, that is our topic today. Slang words, shortened forms and slang words. So when I said coulda, shoulda, woulda, it was standing in for the long form could have, should have, and would have. So why use the slang words? Well, it's going to help with your listening a lot, especially if you're dealing with native English speakers. They like to use these slang words because it makes their speech a lot faster. And that's what it's going to do for your speech eventually. So let's get started with learning some of these. Gonna. Gonna. Gonna is short for going to. Going to. Used for going to in informal speech and in representations of such speech. For example, we're gonna win this game. We're gonna win this game means we are going to win this game. We are going to win this game. It's not gonna be easy. It's not gonna be easy, meaning it's not going to be easy. They're gonna get married in July. They're gonna get married in July. They're going to get married in July. I felt like something bad was gonna happen. I felt like something bad was gonna happen. I felt like something bad was going to happen. This is one of the most commonly used shortened forms, so you're going to hear it all the time. See? The other very commonly used slang is wanna. Wanna. This is used for the words want to in informal speech and in representations of such speech. So it can be used for want to, such as I want to go to the mall. I want to go to the mall. Or I want a coffee, for example. I want a coffee or I want a coffee. So other examples could be, what do you want to do today? What do you want to do today? What do you want to do today? I really want to go to the concert. I really want to go to the concert. I really want to go to the concert. I want to go with you. I want to go with you. I want to go with you. See how much smoother it sounds when you take out the T? I want to go with you. It almost just flows right through. The next slang is gotta. Gotta. We use the term gotta for got to in informal speech and in representations of such speech. It is also used informally for have to or got to. This is used interchangeably in speech. I have got a coffee. I got a coffee. I got a license. I got a license. Have got to is also shortened into gotta. You gotta be careful. You have got to be careful. You gotta be careful. You have got to be careful. You've gotta be can also stand for you must be. So for example, with you've gotta be kidding me. You've gotta be kidding me. It stands for you have to be kidding me or you must be kidding me. The other one is I gotta go. This stands for I have to go or I have got to go. I gotta go. If you're going to invite me to a dance, you've gotta let me dance. meaning if you're going to invite me to a dance, you have got to let me dance. You've gotta let me dance. Let's go to the next one. Have to. Have to. This stands for have to. It is the written form of a reduction of have to. It's a contraction of have to, so it's for something that you're required to do, something that you must do, such as your taxes. You are required to do your taxes, so you would say, I have to fill in my tax return. I have to fill in my tax return. Coulda. Coulda. This is used for could have, or even the contraction could've. Could've, in informal speech and in representations of such speech. It could have been much better. It could have been much better. It could have been much better. They could have tried a little harder. They could have tried a little harder. They could have tried a little harder. After that, we have shoulda. Shoulda. The definition of shoulda is should have, or even the contraction of that, should've, in informal speech and in representations of such speech. They should have been here by now. They should have been here by now. Stands in for they should have been here by now. I should have quit while I was ahead. I should have quit while I was ahead. I should have quit while I was ahead. The following slang is woulda. Woulda. Used for would have or would've in informal speech and in representations of such speech. I never would have believed it. I never would have believed it means I never would have believed it. Who would have thunk it? Who would have thunk it? Who would have thunk it?
You just gotta learn those slang words, because then your English is going to get a lot better and a lot quicker when you're speaking. And eventually you're gonna start sounding like a native English speaker yourself. So let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed this video and if you got some benefits out of it. Until next time, take care guys, and thanks for watching Learning English with Kate.